Hi everybody, welcome to Tech Tip Friday. I'm Kurt Staley, that plastics guy, and I'm bringing you a long weekend edition of Tech Tip Friday. So if you're in an area, well, like where I am in Ontario, Canada, it is our May long weekend, also known as Victoria Day long weekend. So if you're celebrating, have a good one, be safe, and have a lot of fun. So before we go on vacation, mini vacation, the 3-day long weekend, I wanted to talk to you about one of my favorite topics, and that is commercial purging compounds. Now, you may have heard of two main types of purging compounds, a mechanical and a chemical. So what are those two? Well, in a mechanical purging compound, you've got very, very fine abrasives suspended within the purging compound itself that when put into the machine, we'll pick up the carbon deposits and remnants of other colors or materials and whatnot, essentially scrubbing the machine, kind of if you want to think of what were some of the old brands of pot cleaners, Comet, or not Ajax, but Comet for sure, or for cleaning stainless steel sinks, that kind of thing. Very mild though, very mild. We're not trying to damage the equipment. So you have a mechanical abrasion taking the garbage off the screw in the barrel, and out it comes through the nozzle. In a chemical chemical purging compound, essentially you're having a chemical reaction, and I sort of tip my hat with blowing agent, but the purging compound is expanding to fill the inside of the screw and barrel under pressure, and then taking that out through the nozzle when you run the full cycle per the manufacturer's instructions. Now, typically with a chemical purging compound formulation, that's when you have soak time, and you're actually letting the foaming agent in the purging compound expand, fill, and there's typically a polyethylene carrier of some sort, which makes it safe for most materials, and that will absorb the garbage that comes off the screw and barrel. It sticks to it, and then you can purge and release the purging from the screw and barrel. So those are the two types. Simcoe Plastics carries Fresh Start, and we have a mechanical purge compound. That's the MC2HH for high heat. It will take elevated temperatures in the screw and barrel. And we have a GP hybrid, which is a hybrid, as the name implies, of mechanical and chemical. So we kind of get the best of both worlds there. So if you have questions about purging, please contact me at Simcoe Plastics, and that's info@simcoeplastics.com. We can help you out. We can get material for you to trial, and I think you'll see that our products run very, very well, and certainly priced very competitively too. So on that note, I'm going to leave you to get ready for a long weekend if you're celebrating. Again, stay safe, have fun, and we will be back next Friday for another Tech Tip Friday. Thanks so much. Take care and bye for now.